everyone! Welcome back to the channel! Today, we're making a recipe that's honestly too good not to share. A soft, fudgy, protein-packed banana bread that tastes like dessert, but is totally macro-friendly. Each slice has around 8 grams of protein, and the whole loaf is made with simple, wholesome ingredients. No added sugar, no flour overload, and still ridiculously satisfying. Let's jump straight in. Start by grabbing 3 super ripe bananas. The riper, the better. Mash them up in a large bowl until mostly smooth. A few chunks are totally fine. They'll melt into the loaf and add texture. Next, crack in 2 eggs, add 100 grams of creamy peanut butter, a good pinch of salt, vanilla extract, and a teaspoon of cinnamon if you're into that warm, cozy flavor vibe. Mix it all up until smooth and fully combined. Now, for a little twist, we're adding 1 medium carrot, finely grated. You won't taste it, but it adds extra moisture and sweetness. All right, let's give this batter some backbone. Add in 60 grams of fine rolled oats and 50 grams of whole wheat flour. Mix gently, no need to overwork it. Sprinkle in 2 teaspoons of baking soda and fold it in carefully. This gives us that perfect rise and soft cake-like texture. Overmixing can make the loaf dense, and we're going for soft and fudgy. Now for the fun part, the mix-ins. Roughly chop 60 grams of dark chocolate and divide it in half. Stir 30 grams into the batter and save the rest for the topping. Add 40 grams of chopped walnuts for that buttery crunch and a bit of healthy fat. Stir until everything's evenly mixed in. Line a loaf pan with parchment paper, pour in your batter, and smooth out the top. Then sprinkle the remaining chocolate over the surface. Now pop it in the oven and follow the baking instructions on screen. Once it's out of the oven, let the banana bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then transfer it to a wire rack and let it cool completely. I know it's hard to wait, but trust me, the texture and flavor are so much better once it's cooled. And that's it. Your fudgy, protein-packed banana bread is ready to go. It's moist, rich, naturally sweet, and packed with fiber and protein. Perfect for a pre-workout snack, a midday energy boost, or even as a dessert that won't derail your macros. This recipe makes 8 servings, and you can easily store the slices in an airtight container for a few days, or freeze them for later. If you enjoyed this recipe, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss more macro-friendly, high-protein bakes coming your way. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments what kind of recipe you want to see next.